Hi everyone, Zoe Clarke here from RosterElf. Today we're looking at the quickest way to add staff, managers, and assistant managers so you can keep your roster humming. Let's get started. How to add staff members. Log in and select the Staff tab at the top of the screen. Press the plus button to create a new staff profile or click an existing name to edit details. Enter the employee's name, email, mobile number, and date of birth, then tap Save. For large teams, import a CSV template or pull staff directly from Xero to save time. How to add managers and assistant managers. Remember, managers can view wage rates and budgets, while assistant managers handle rosters and approvals without seeing costs. Add each person as a regular staff member first, then assign their elevated role at the site level. How to assign managers and assistant managers. Open the Sites tab in the top menu. Choose an existing site, or create a new one, then open the Managers or Assistants tab. Tap the plus button, select the staff member, and hit Update to confirm their role for that site. If someone is missing, check whether they already hold a different permission set or admin access elsewhere. How to keep permissions tidy. Use the Staff tab to review who holds which site roles and adjust as your team grows. Rename, reassign, or remove roles whenever your structure changes to avoid confusion. Thanks for watching. Our support crew is online 7 days a week if you have any questions. Happy rostering!